I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Instagram and confirming you're on the correct account. This matters because access data is account-specific. Once done, make sure the app is updated so menu labels match. Tap your profile, then the top right menu, and select Settings. You're not done yet. Next, you'll go into Security to reach the data tools. This first move quickly sets you up to pull the exact list of videos you've watched and why it's accessible there. Now you'll navigate Security right arrow access data. This aggregates actions like watched videos so Instagram can provide a record for privacy and auditing. Scroll down to locate the videos you've watched, section, and expand it. You'll see a chronological list with timestamps or short identifiers. These let you trace when you viewed each clip. If you need the full dataset, use Download Data in Security to request a copy by email. Finish by exporting if you want a permanent copy. Request Download Data in Security, provide an email, and wait for Instagram's delivery. This can take up to 48 hours. Know that Instagram does not offer a one-click erase for watched videos, so remove /comments or unfollow to limit future recommendations. If the videos you've watched section is missing, make sure the app is updated, try the desktop site, or request the data export. These steps fix most visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.